Alright guys, as we have seen as a boilerplate for the HTML5, and next we are going to see some tags and some stuff. Remember one thing, just we are going to see what is the tag, how to use it, when to use it. Remember these three things. There is nothing much, there is no rocket science and all, just three things: which tag, where to use, how to use. Those three, if you know, you are good to go with HTML. So let me go to my slide again, and it's set up. Here is boilerplate. I'll explain each and every tag over here. It's a doc type I have seen, which explains the document type, and HTML, which is a root tag element, and header, which contains all the information about the HTML page, title, which shows what kind of HTML page is it, and body contains whatever the content you are going to write, and simple elements, simple tags such as h1 and p tag, which we often use in the HTML. Note that HTML is a case sensitive. As let me explain you what do you mean by case sensitive. Wait, that's like it. Yep, case sensitive, right? Yeah. Here I am writing this h1 as small h and 1. Let me write in h and 1, which you can see like this, h1, and okay, fine. Let me reload the page and you will see the match. See, it's nothing but when you are writing a small or capital, it doesn't matter, but never write like this, one writing h, capital H, and another one single h. It doesn't matter anyway. I hope you got the point. It doesn't matter. It's very nice to learn and makes it easy. Okay guys, let me just go for the next slide. And here we are going we have another note, which is still the content inside the body section. Is the white area above will be displayed in the browser. The content inside the title element will be shown in the browser title bar or in the page tab. Which means here we can see that we have HTML5 as a title, and some other VS Code has a download VS Code as a title, and which we can write over here like title and HTML. But if you change the title as like front end HTML, then we save it, and when I refresh, we'll get the front end HTML. It's simply a title, guys, which gives a better understanding of which page you are. And remember everything, all the HTML pages will be saved as h.html extension, which defines the tag. And let me tell you one thing, whenever it may be, whatever the tag it may be, this syntax is common, guys. The syntax for this, let me do syntx syntax. Yeah, syntax will be common for you. Here we will get the tag name, and we will get the tag name. I hope that makes sense, and I'm commenting it because I don't want to see any errors over here. Okay, that makes sense. Let's go for the next slide. List of some HTML tags. As I have said, we have heading, paragraph, link, image, break tags, media tags, tables, and footer, header, some divisions and all. We will see each and every tag in a detailed manner. For now, let me just go with the heading tag. As I have said, just you have to know what is the tag, which tag, where to use, how to use. That's it. You need to learn these three things, not much more. So which tag, where to use, how to use, these are the three main contents. And for h1, let me tell you, h1 is used for displaying the headings. As you can see, here are some headings. This one is a heading, which is a very big font size. And you go to VS Code or any website, you will get some headings like, see, code editor for reminders, some blah blah blah. And these are the p tags, guys. These are the p tags. and these are a smaller h1 heading tag. This will see each and every heading tag. Let me just go to my code, and let me just in the beginning we have used one h1 tag. This is h1 tag, guys. Let me zoom it a bit so that you can see the difference. Okay, and let me just remove another line over here, and h2, this is h2. Let me just copy and paste this stuff because I don't wanna h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Yep, don't worry guys, this alignment will be done automatically because I am using some extensions for development. So whatever the gibberish stuff you write, it will be aligned automatically. h6 and h6, no, h5, right? Oh, my mistake. That makes sense. That's an hy, guys, because I am just a bit typing stuff. I always do this. And h4 and h4 and h3, we save this, and as you can see, it's automatically aligned. And let me just refresh the page, and you can see the difference, guys. This is an h1 tag. Let me just change it also so that you don't have any confusion over here. This is h1. Yep, save it and refresh the page. As you can see, this is the h1 tag, which is a bit bigger, and h2, which is smaller. And why this h2 is coming over here? Did I made any mistake? Yep, I given this twice. Okay, this is the h1, this is h2. Okay, man, why am I doing these mistakes? Silly mistake, guys. h1, h2, h3, h4, h5. The least tag is h6. We do not have h7 tag. You can just check it also. We don't have h7 tags now. We just have h6. Just you can see it's showing me a red color, which defines that there is no tag with the name of h7. Okay, never use like the tags. Just h1 to h6 is the maximum tags, you can use it. And again, it's a paragraph and pre-tag, which will cover now. And here is a p-tag. Let me just comment this so that it won't show. I'll keep this as a reference for you guys. Let me type a p graph and lorem, because I don't want to type all this what do you say, passage, and also I'm going to use the built lorem ipsum. And you can reload. There is a paragraph. See, paragraph is nothing but the content for description and all. Here is a paragraph in other websites. Here is a paragraph. This is a paragraph. Everything comes under paragraph. So this is also a paragraph. You can write anything, literally whatever you want over here. And second is a p tag. Let me show you a magic. If I want to divide these things as sessions, such as I want this to be down, this to be down, and this to be down, here to be down, here down, yeah. But if I save it and reload it, it will show me like a single line. But I don't want this. As you can see, for poems we have line by line, but we can't display it like this, right? You can't display it like this. So for that we have a tag called pre, which displays everything in the manner. Okay, let me change this to pre and save it, and let me just reload. Yep, you can see that, guys. It's showing everything in the alignment. It's showing like this because I have done some mistake over here. Yeah, that's it. We'll save it. Yeah, you can see that, guys. For poems, you can use for poems, or for some paragraphs you want to print line by line in the next line. content, so you can use a pre-tag. That makes sense, right? That is cool, guys. Yeah, let's go for the next tag. Here image, break and media, some tables and all we will see in the next videos, because these are very large tags and very useful tags. The above tags are very simple, like h1 to h1 and to h6 and paragraph tags and pre-tags. We'll see this other tags in the next videos. And attributes, let me tell you very interesting attributes. See, each and every tag has its own attributes, guys. Let me just remember these things. Each and every tag has its own attributes. In these attributes you can do one thing, just go and check for attributes or online, you will get all the attributes. Let me explain you each and everything, every attribute when it comes to tags. Okay, for commonly we have style attribute as style, some color as light blue. Let me check this whether it is working. I don't know why it's working. I guess this might be the thing. Let me go with the green. I guess that will be make sense. Yeah. See, guys, the above text is in black color and the below text is in green color. So what happens is, here is an attribute which means style and use color. This is basically CSS, guys. This is basically CSS, which we cover in the upcoming videos. And for every tag, the style and few attributes were common. You can use literally use these attributes for anything. So let me just quickly go through this content. All HTML elements can have attributes. That's a common. Attribute provides additional information about element. Attributes are always specific in the stat tag. See, you can use attributes as in the starting tag. This is a starting tag. This is a starting tag, and this is an ending tag. In starting tag, you should provide the attributes, not in the ending tag. If I provide this as style and all, style is equals to some stuff, it won't work. It will give you an error. Okay, so never make that mistake. See how to identify a starting tag and ending tag. Let me tell you, starting tag will do not have this backslash tag, this backslash stuff, which ending tag will have backslash. As you can see, the syntax is that a tag name, and ending tag will be a backslash and tag name. Got it? Never use any kind of attributes in the backslash tag or ending tag. Just use it over the front tag. That's it, guys. So again we have attributes usually comes with the name or value, pair keys. A name is equals to value. So we have done the same thing. It's a name, it is a style equal to, it's a value, guys. And for some of the attributes we have these attributes. Some of the tags we have these attributes, like URL. For image we have path, src, and width and all. We will see all these attributes when we are dealing with this tags, guys. Okay, and headings, as we have mentioned, it's all done. We can keep this as a reference for you guys. And paragraph and pre-tag, and here is the poem, which you can type and check whether it is coming correctly or not. Okay, and style. Okay, I have already shown you this also. Style equal to color green, some stuff. Actually, style syntax is like yep. Tag and style is equals to property and value. Okay, and let me just show you guys how this style works. Where is it? I guess this one, not this one. Yep, this one. Yep. Let me just copy this one, because I don't want to mess it up. Okay. Let me just copy this all and paste it over here, so that you can see, because I don't wanna make your time a bit longer. Then let me comment this and let me save this. Let me reload this. As you can see, guys, it's making a styling everything and all. For this one it's a background, this one is the background is different, this one text color is different, this one also paragraph color it is different, and here the styling is different, which is a font family, font type actually, and this one is a little bit bold and very large one, and this is a paragraph, and this one is comes under center paragraph and center heading. This is all done by the CSS, guys. For centering we have set align center, some font size, font family, color, background color. See, we'll go through all this CSS stuff when we are dealing with the CSS tutorial. We'll cover all this stuff, don't worry. And what we have next, I guess we have some passage and all this. Yep, for text formatting tags here, for B tag, sorry, a few tags: B, strong, I, am, marks, del, inspect, suspect. See, guys, okay, we'll see this video, we'll see other things in the next video.